In this video, I will show you how to refer friends on Gate.io. So first of all, open up your Gate.io app and go over to your Home tab. From here, click on the profile icon at the top left. And from here, we're going to click on the arrow at the top right next to Profile and Settings. Once we click on this, we can see Referral in the middle in the Profile section. So let's click on Referral. And here you will see the following. You can invite friends to earn 40% commission and up to $500 US. So once you click on the Invite Friends button, you will get your own personal link and you will be able to send this link automatically through social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and Snapchat, and basically platforms like that. But you can also copy it to your clipboard and then paste it somewhere you like. If you have an audience, you can use the link for your audience. And once people are registering through your link, you will earn a 40% commission and up to 500 USDT, as I already said. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.